We are getting hail. We are having very severe gusts of wind coming through, just bending the bamboos. It's we think climate change is somewhere in the distant future. It is May the 21st, and we are having very, very unusual weather patterns that we don't get, that's not associated with a tropical storm, tropical depression type conditions. The bamboos are actually quite a serious saver of breaking the wind, acting as a wind barrier from the from the house. And we should be having quite a lot of water coming down the swale now. Oh yes, we're starting to get water.